Hello everyone, welcome to the series of Economics in 4 minutes. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss the demand and supply theory of exchange rate determination. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel to find more videos on economics, econometrics, SPPS, RStudio, and statistics. Let's begin with the introduction. This theory is also known as the general theory of exchange rate determination and balance of payment theory of exchange rate determination. So this theory says that under free market conditions, the exchange rate determines by the demand and supply of foreign currency. So exchange rate is determined just like the price of any other commodity is determined in the market. So therefore, demand and supply of foreign currency play an important role in the determination of exchange rate according to this theory. And this market is known as foreign exchange market. Let's understand it with the help of example. On horizontal axis, we have US dollar, foreign currency. And on vertical axis, we have exchange rate between Indian currency and foreign currency. So it shows rupees per dollar. Now DD is the demand curve for US dollar. And it is downward sloping, which shows the inverse relationship between exchange rate and demand for foreign currency. So higher the exchange rate, lower the demand for foreign currency, and lower the exchange rate, higher the demand for foreign currency. And this demand for foreign currency or demand for US dollar arises from demand for foreign goods or US goods, services, and financial assets. On the other hand, we have supply of foreign currency. So SS shows the supply curve of US dollar, which shows the positive association between exchange rate and supply of foreign currency. So at higher exchange rate, the supply is more, and at the lower exchange rate, the supply of foreign currency is less. Now, supply of US dollar or supply of foreign currency arises from the US demand for Indian goods, services, and financial assets. Now, E is the intersection point at which demand and supply of foreign currency are same, and the equilibrium exchange rate is $1 is equal to 75 Indian rupees. At this exchange rate, the BOP is also in equilibrium. Now, what happens if demand changes? Suppose demand for US dollar increases, and therefore the demand curve shifts to the right. So we have new demand curve D1, D1, and new equilibrium point is E1. And the new equilibrium exchange rate is $1 is equal to 80 Indian rupees. Now, this implies the depreciation of Indian rupee and appreciation of US dollar. The equilibrium exchange rate changes from $1 is equal to 75 rupees to $1 is equal to 80 rupees. And this indicates the depreciation of Indian rupee because this shows a fall in the value of Indian currency in terms of US dollar. If demand for US dollar decreases, then demand curve shifts to the left. So we have new demand curve D2, D2, and new equilibrium point is E2. At this equilibrium point, the exchange rate is $1 is equal to 70 rupees. Now this implies the depreciation of US dollar and appreciation of Indian rupee. So exchange rate changes from $1 is equal to 75 rupees to $1 is equal to 70. That means the value of the Indian currency has increased and value of the US dollar falls. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.